Okay, so here's our new can crash course. I'm going to walk you through it. This is what Andrew's going to do. Yeah, sorry, it's kind of in the shade. So here we're going to start with alternating feet, left, right, left, right. This is a double feet one, double crush. This one's only right foot, left foot, left foot. There's cans over here, so it's a double, a double, a double. Here he gets to either choose left or right. Here he has to jump up and crush both of them at the same time with his feet spread apart. And then this one is left, right, left, and then the ultimate triple can crush.
Can I start?
Okay, hold on. And hopefully you can see Andrew all the way down there.
Oh, well.
Hi. And ready, go. Left foot, left. Okay, let me get a close up on this one. Triple crush, triple crush. Woohoo! Did it!
You expecting to do it?
I don't know what was gonna happen. And once again, clean it up.